another Roblox video. God, I feel sick here. Anyway, I feel better now. So we are playing Super Doomspire. It's like regular Doomspire, but it's just like a bajillion times better. Oh, that guy's so dead. Bye. Bye. It's just a million times better because you can actually buy stuff. Look, shop. Buy stuff. Wonderful. It's just lovely. I love it. It's just awesome. And daily items and everything. So I'm gonna overdo. I've never played this game before. Round Cat Rally. I have not heard that one before. So let's have a look and see how it feels. Oh yeah, I have played this. Do tennis. I played tennis if you don't know. Yesterday in England it was chucking it down. And I played tennis in the rain. I am committed, guys. I am flipping committed. Like. Just do this, guys. This is how you win this game. This game mode. Ow, no. No, what the hell? There we go. just everybody build. Build, everybody. Build. Perfect. Built. Mr. Firework. I killed somebody already. I'm a god, guys. I like killing people instead. 2 kills. 3 kills, 3 kills. 3 kills already. Boom. Another kill? No, no other kill. No, another kill. Somewhere. Yeet. Ah! Dead. Maybe another? Maybe? Yep, another kill. I'm just going for kills. Oh, I got killed. Okay, for revenge, guys. Wow, what is that? Ouch. Ouchies. What the? I thought my character was weird then. Play this game in first person and you become a god. Excuse me, sir. Tis illegal. That is illegal. Now die, peasant. Dang it, I thought I killed him. Peasant must die. Let me up. Let's go. Yeet. I see the kitty cat. I see the kitty cat. I'm aiming straight for Mr. Kitty. And boom. Let's go. Did I not hit the cat? I think I did. No, I didn't. So it's time for you to die. What? How many round cats do they have? I think they have 1. Die, Mr. Round Cat. Go on a diet. Go on a diet. You need it. Stabby. I like the classic or like the 2 teams one because they're the best. Because I literally have the best way to win. If you follow me, you literally pretty much you always win. Unless everybody else is doing the same thing as you. No, we didn't win. That's not fun. I'm not happy. I am not happy. Meh. Get me up there. Let me kill him. I want to kill him. My sticky thing's got into it. Die. I love this game. It's so fun. Stupid little moron. Go away. Peasant. Boy did. He did. Classic. I don't want to do that. Infection immediately. What? How? How the hell do we do that? How? Tell me now. Tell me. Oh yeah, I forgot I could just do this. He killed me, didn't though? I killed myself. Anyway, I like this team. Yeet. Die! Can I use these to kill people? Here comes the clown! Hi! Ha ha ha! What the hell? I want to get to them. Let me at them. Let me at them. Can I destroy this with a sword? Aha, can! I bloody can! Who knew that, guys? Because I didn't yeet. Just doing... Because he has a good sword, though. I have a terrible sword. Yeet. Yeet. Aha. Was the most infectious. Woo! You can kind of say this is basically how the coronavirus is. This is the germs just going around. Oh, poo. Look, this is what you can do with sticky bombs. You chuck it at somebody, it sticks to them, and then they go boom. You can only kill people out here. Safe. Can't kill me. I'm invincible. Wee. Die. Classic, classic, classic. Do classic. I don't want to do. I'll vote that just so 2 teams wins. So this is red and blue, which is really good. Let's do galaxy, guys. Everybody do galaxy. Oh god, I'm yawning. Right, now I can show you. Oh god. Right, let's get into it. Blah, blah. Now, this guy is how you play, how you win. Well, this is how I think it's better to win. Oh god, I failed then. That's not. I use R to lunge instead of this. Right click. I just find R easier to lunge with. Break in and just go to town. That's how I play. Just wait for everything to reload and just go to town. Nobody is, I don't think anybody is. Can I, look, this just. This is the best way, guys, to do this game. This is just automatic, pretty much automatic destruction. Guaranteed. I heard a sword then. What's keeping it held up? Oh my god, that just got in my way. How is it stayed up, like? Tell me, please tell me by doing this it's gonna fall. Because I need it to fall. Just freaking fall already. I think this is the brick glass, you know. Don't know what it's for actually. But let's just keep going. Is someone shooting at me? I'm green team, don't you dare shoot at me. Don't think they know where I'm coming from. Okay, here we go. We're getting somewhere now. Hopefully with this, green team will fall and blue will come out victorious. Let's do this. Boom. And that is how you win. There you go, guys. The easiest way to win. Just now, I just keep destroying it. Just go through all my stuff, you know. Oh, this is so easy. And it's gone. Bye. Look at that, guys. I am a god. Now I need this to come through for me. Right, we're gonna kill myself. This is a good way to do it. Once you've done, just kill yourself. Get out your sword. And off you go. Leave me alone. Watch this, ready? Boy dead. Oh, that was coming for me then, but it wasn't. Look at my destruction. Right, are you cut? Do you want? Does this kid want to die too? I will come out victorious. These kids will die in shame. Like I said, die in shame. My masterpiece. I love doing that. I'm literally a god. I am a god, guys, so you all know. I'm a god. Literal bloody god. Yeet! Dang it, I fell. Shoot. Look, you lose mats when you fall. And I had literally probably, I probably had the most mats. Now I probably have no mats. Sorry, good sir, but that is not allowed. I would have won. Look at that! Victory Royale. It's a victory royale, guys. Well, anyway, that has been me showing you. Oh, I can still film some more. This is going to be a 20-second video. Can't kill people in here, but you can kill the people when they're outside. Yes. Who wants revenge? I would too if I were me. If I was me and I got killed by me, I'd want revenge too. Literally, try me, bruh. Try me. Try me. Yeah. Classic. Okay, I guess we're gonna do infection then. Great. I don't want to do infection. It's a bit boring. It's boring when you. It's boring when you are not the killing people. I'm a survivor. I want to survive. I'm gonna try and actually survive now. Usually I don't try to survive. Usually, oh shoot. At me, bro. At me. Come at me. Dare you. Dare you. Literally dare you. Come at me, you stupid little children. He's got a good sword. Shall I put on the markers? If you can't come to death, death will come to you. Just remember that, guys. If you can't come to the death will come to you. Nice, man. Nice. I'm gonna stay here. Barricade. Come on. He's getting in. Cannot let them get in our base. Wait, did it say no, it didn't say I got killed by somebody. What? Oh, if you just die altogether. Pretty sure if you just die altogether. Where's this guy? I need to kill this guy. Nice. If you cannot come to Corona, Corona will come to you. This is basically this is basically the visual representation of thine coronavirus. Because it's super infective and I'm super infective. I'm on your team, you muppet. There's 2 people left. There. I'm here. Where's the other guy? Come here, my baby. Hi. I'm a friendly little boy. Woo! Oh yeah. I killed 7 people, I think. I killed 7 people, but I was only 4 infectious. Now I can kill people. Let me just go have a look at all my items. Look at my items. That's a basic boy. Oh no, don't like this one. I want to do double deck. Okay, I guess we don't compare then. How wonderful. I've protected one. They've already lost one kitty cat. that bit there. Then you can kill the cat. And dead. Woo! What? We have 3? How do they have? They can't have that many left. But I still got my little beautiful catty. Dead. Kill them both. One dead. I like to go for kills. One round cat and it's my cat. No! Guys, keep building! Yeah, we did. GG! Oh, I killed 2. Oh yeah! Uh-huh. Yeah. Well guys, thanks for watching this other Roblox video. I'm gonna keep on with my random Roblox series where I just play random games. Because I like that series. I find it pretty awesome. The random Roblox series. It's a series where Jailbreak Gamer plays random games. I might change my name, but I'm not going to tell you what to because some people might steal it. Oh, thanks, man. Some people might steal my name because I think it's pretty cool. So I'm probably going to have to ask my friend Cute Princess Lola. She's awesome. She's made all my intros. And then Gamer Girl, she made the ones before. She's pretty cool too. They're both awesome people. They made me intros. They didn't charge me at all. Well, Eve is my best friend, so if she charged me, I was going to be kind of like upset. But Gamer didn't even ask for any Robux or anything, which I find quite nice. So if you want, you can join Smart's Discord and ask them both to make you an intro if you want. And tell them I sent you. Okay, thanks. Anyway, guys, enough of me blabbering on. I'll thank you all for watching. And yeah, and you guys will see me probably Saturday and Sunday, maybe Monday, Tuesday, I don't know. You'll see me anyway. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure to play Roblox every day. Always play Roblox. Fortnite if you want, I don't really mind, but play Roblox and Jailbreak. As you can tell, I play Jailbreak a lot because I am a bot. Anyway, guys, I need to stop doing this. I have a thing for making my outros super long. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to always use a star code in the item shop. I don't have one, use bacon or whatever. I don't know. Bye.